So a trophy coming aboard. Just had to come out of the way of that little dinghy, little sailing boat. So attacking round again.
Thames barges. This is Bateman's Tower calling. We will be sending you on course B today. B for Bravo. So it's far void to port. Clacton Pier marked starboard. Knoll to starboard.
So the course coming in now.
Far void to starboard. And then finish. I will repeat the course in 10 minutes.
Okay, what's happening there is the lee board is coming up because we're on the other tack, so they've got to lift up the kind of keel that's on the side there. Well, it doesn't have a keel, it's flat bottom, so you've got to have a kind of a keel which is on the side. Okay, staysail going up.
How do you, man? How do you, man? Oh, good old mate. What up? Nice, yeah? Pleasure.